Every energy project starts with a spark. You bring the challenge. PowerSecure brings the solution, with a team that turns ideas into an actionable plan. Gain access to experts in energy markets, regulations, and utility requirements, so decisions feel clear and you stay in control from day one. Once the plan is locked in, we work on your system in our manufacturing facilities. Precision engineering, proven reliability. Everything is tested and ready to perform the moment it arrives. All with industry-leading speed to market. Installation moves quickly and smoothly with teams who handle every detail. You watch your project come to life and know it is built to work exactly as you expect. And we stay with you long after the switch flips. Our monitoring, maintenance, and customer care teams keep your system optimized and your operations moving. With PowerSecure, your idea becomes a powerful, reliable energy solution that puts you in charge of your future. PowerSecure. We say, we do.